How are you, my dear children? Want to hear a story? Today I am telling you the story of the fox and the crow. Once there was a hungry fox. He saw a crow on a tree. The crow held a chapati in his beak. The fox wanted that chapati. He was very clever. He had an idea. He praised the crow's voice. You are a beautiful crow. You have a sweet voice. Please sing a song for me. The foolish crow opened his mouth to sing. The crow sang, "Cow, cow, cow." The chapati fell down. The fox took the piece of chapati. The fox said, "Your voice is not sweet, and you are foolish too." He ran away happily with the chapati. Okay, see you again with a new story. Bye bye. Thank you.